Tracy Torres, and I work for Riverside County Flood Control District. I'm an associate flood control planner, which means we work on the environmental issues surrounding development, but more specifically, I focus on stormwater management. So the Taking Out the Trash program is actually an idea that came about from state mandated regulations that are coming down the pipeline in stormwater regulation, and we wanted to know how we could include public education and outreach to high school students who are going to basically be living with these regulations, but also the benefits from the regulations. And so what we did was incorporate a mapping program as well as education on trash, where the students are going to have the chance for 2 weeks to go around their neighborhoods, also specifically Mission Boulevard, and survey all the different trash that they observe throughout their community.
Hi, I'm Haley Hurst. I am in 9th grade, and this is for Honors Bio. Just fixing the habitats of the animals, because it's important for them to have a place to live, and it's important for our ecosystem, because if one thing is messed up, then everything else is messed up.
Our goal is that they understand that whatever trash is out in an urban landscape is going to eventually end up in their waterways. So the more that we can do to avoid the trash going into our waterways, whether that's through cleanups or street sweeping, or just like I said, a general pride of your community, hopefully we start seeing cleaner streets and just a more beautiful area around Rubidoux High School.